Hello, friend. We have two complex numbers, z1 and z2. We are told that when we add them we get 10 plus 4i, and when we take one away from the other we get 6 plus 2i. Let's find the values of x, y, a, and b. Let's add z1 and z2 together. The real parts 10 and a go together, and the imaginary parts y and b go together. This has to equal 10 plus 4i. Now we match up the pieces. The real part on the left must equal the real part on the right, so x plus a equals 10. And the imaginary part tells us y plus b equals 4. Now let's look at z1 take away z2. We take away the real parts and we take away the imaginary parts. This has to equal 6 plus 2i. Again, we match the pieces. The real part gives us x take away a equals 6. The imaginary part gives us y take away b equals 2. Now we have four small equations. Here's a neat trick. Let's add equation 1 and equation 3 together. The a and take away a cancel out, and we are left with 2 times x equals 16. Now we split 16 into 2 equal parts. 16 split into 2 equal parts is 8. So x equals 8. Let's put x equals 8 back into equation 1. We get 8 plus a equals 10. So a equals 10 take away 8, which is 2. Now let's do the same trick for y and b. We add equation 2 and equation 4. The b and take away b cancel out, and we get 2 times y equals 6. We split 6 into 2 equal parts. That gives us 3. So y equals 3. Let's put y equals 3 back into equation 2. We get 3 plus b equals 4. So b equals 4 take away 3, which is 1. Now let's put all our values together. z1 is 8 plus 3i, and z2 is 2 plus I. Beautiful. We did it. The answer is x equals 8, y equals 3, a equals 2, and b equals 1. You did an awesome job. The big secret was to compare the real parts and imaginary parts, then add the equations to make the unknowns go away one at a time.